Today I'm heading back into the woods after Montreal's first real snow of the year. A couple of days ago I went to the botanical gardens and had a completely unexpected encounter with a red fox. With this beautiful snowfall, I was wondering if I could catch some pictures of this fox, but this time in the beautiful fresh snowfall. Now, I'll spare you the suspense. I did not see the fox again, but the park had other surprises in mind. Between rare visitors, flashes of red from cardinals and a familiar mallard, juncos jumping through the brush, and some quiet winter scenes that stopped me in my tracks, it turned into something completely different than I expected. Now this is going to be a calm, slow walk through the park where I'm just going to jump in a few times to guide you. So settle in and let's see what this winter morning has in store for us.
Alright, we're in the middle of a snowstorm right now, so it might be a little difficult to see on camera, but it's hard just to keep the eyes open. So this is actually the first real snow we're getting in Montreal. We got some snow over the weekend, like a few days ago, but it was nothing that really stayed on the ground. Now you look at this, it's pretty fun. How beautiful this is.
I kept on walking and exploring this magnificent park that had seen a thick carpet of snow installed overnight. The views were utterly breathtaking, and I could not help myself from taking a photo of the beautiful winter wonderland.
Just 4 days ago there was a lot of wood ducks here, even after a bit of snow, so I wonder if they're still there. One of the nicest trees in this whole park. Look at it. Yeah, for sure you can see there's a few lines here.
Walking up to this area, I could hear a mallard calling. Much to my dismay, it was a lone female mallard.
Where are you?
I hope you enjoy this next tender moment I shared with her.
Hey. Hey.
Oh.
Hey.
So throughout this video, you'll see that the photos are edited with Woodland Presets. These presets have made my editing so much quicker and so much more efficient, and have also pushed me in a more creative direction. I've learned a lot from these presets, trying to understand how they work and what makes the presets nice. One thing that I like about these presets is what they call AI adaptive. All it means is that it'll utilize Lightroom's detection for subject, background, and sky and adapt their presets to that. Another thing that I love about these presets is that they don't make your subjects go completely unrealistic. They still keep a natural look. If you're interested in looking at these presets for yourself, there's a link down in the description, and you can use code LouisGPhoto for 20% off all of your orders. You might be surprised at how much they elevate your shots.
Wow. Oh, I lost it. I think I got some good shots there. I don't know if you can see well on camera here, but there's the Olympic Stadium right in front of us. It's under construction right now, so it doesn't look great, but it's there. There's a squirrel.
If you're still watching this video, I assume you like this type of content. So please click that subscribe button for more videos every week or so.
Oh, there's a goldfinch. Haven't seen one of those in a while. They're changing colors for their winter colors.
While taking photos at the bird feeder, I saw a few cardinals jumping from one tree to another, so I had to go take a look and try to take a few shots.
Chickadee's upside down.
A fellow birder walked up to me to chat a bit, and while we were talking, he spotted a rare bird, a white-eyed vireo. These birds are quite uncommon up here in Montreal, but during the winter, it's almost unheard of. I then kept on with my walk and witnessed more of the damages that this frightful snowstorm brought on. The problem is that the trees did not have enough time to lose all of their leaves, so more snow was able to pile onto these trees, making more weight than the branches could bear. Before I left, I did one more stop where I had spotted the fox, but again, only a few friendly squirrels were hanging out there.
Well, that does it for me today. Such beautiful weather. I'm glad I did see some birds, some squirrels, and it's just beautiful. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'll see you again soon.